Let's learn how to screenshot on Snapchat without letting them know on iPhone. First is to open your Snapchat account and go ahead to your messages. Just choose one message you would like to open. So as you can see there, since I'm recording, you can see use screen recorded chat. Now if you're going to take a screenshot, then it will also appear there that you took a screenshot of the chat. So for us to delete this one, let's just turn our phone into an airplane mode. Just tap on it. And then let's go back to our Snapchat, and you'll able to see there that you screen recorded your chat 2 times. So everything is recorded. So all you have to do is to just long press on that message and click chat messages, then click clear from the chat feed. Now, once you're in there, all you have to do is to just click clear if you are sure to delete. Then all you have to do is to just swipe it up to close the application or the Snapchat, and then let's try to open it again, and then there go to your messages again and try to check that message that you have opened. So let's just click on it, and as you can see there's no more information about the screenshot. It's just the screen recording that I'm doing now. So this is the process of taking a screenshot without them knowing. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.